welcome back to another Arius' How To's. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your very own thumbnail using Canva. A thumbnail is super important as it must stand out and look eye-catching so that people click on your video. So let's create a really good thumbnail in under 5 minutes. Let's get to it. Okay, so we are on Canva for this. If you missed my previous intro to Canva video, I will link it above so you can check it out. Okay, so to start, you can go to the social media tab and find YouTube thumbnail, or you can search YouTube thumbnail on the search bar. You can either click on a pre-designed YouTube thumbnail or just use the blank option. I'm going to be using this blank option. Okay, so as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the different options like template, elements, and so on, which we can use to build the design for our thumbnail. First, let's select the backgrounds option on the left of my screen, which will show me a bunch of backgrounds to choose from. As you can see, here I can choose from solid colors, pattern designs, and pictures. Let's choose a plain background for this one. I'm going to choose the black background so that my design really pops. And now, I can start adding various layers of designing elements to our thumbnail. Let's start by putting in our logo from this section. We need to go to the uploads and select this from the photos library. Okay, now, I want to adjust the size and shift it to the left so that we have the rest of the canvas to play around with. I've shown you how to upload pictures in my intro to Canva video, so I'm not going to do that now. But just be aware you would need to upload the images first from your device in order to use them on your design templates. I'm in a super happy mood, so we must play around with some neon design elements for our thumbnail. Before we do that, how about we add some gradient effects, so let's go ahead and search for gradient blur. And select this colorful floor cloud. That looks good. Next, let's search for some neon signs. There is a huge selection of free elements that are available here, so it all really depends on what you want to add. Let's pick a few. I'm going to choose this neon rainbow and place them in my design, and resize and position it. Let's add this neon flamingo. Let's try to find a neon sleigh as well to go on the other side of the text I'm going to add. I'm doing all of this just to show you how you can play around with all these creative elements. I'm done adjusting and I think it's looking good. Let's add some text to my design now. So I do that by clicking on the text icon. Again, this is optional. Remember, we can choose to not use any of these text over here and just use the text option here. I like this fluorescent cheers one here because it makes the thumbnail stand out a bit more. I'm going to type my text. So let's write how to use iMovie. We can change the color or size, but I think this color matches my neon design, so I will leave it to its original color. So I just need to position it where I want it. These pink lines help with the alignment. Okay, now that I have some text, I'm just going to rearrange my elements so that it all fits in better. I can position my flamingo backward and flip it. And resize our rainbow, and once we are done with alignment and readjustments, we are ready. This thumbnail is looking amazing and I think it's good to go. So let's save this design so that I can use it in my video. All you have to do for that is click on this download option here and select the file type. For the thumbnail, I will select the PNG file type because I want to save it as an image. Keep in mind, the use of a thumbnail is only when you're posting a new video on YouTube. And there you go, there are unlimited possibilities to your thumbnail. So go out there and get creative. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any doubts regarding your thumbnail. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss my how-tos. See you all in the next one.